Is your sink clogged and you don't know what to do? If you're doing the dishes and notice that the water in the sink is starting to pool, it's the first sign that your sink drain is blocked. But don't worry, because today I am going to teach you a 100% effective home trick, step by step, that will help you unclog the sink and any pipe in the house quickly, easily, and with ingredients that you already have at home. After using this trick, you will never have clogged pipes again. I assure you. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. In this process, we will not use any toxic chemicals. I always send greetings at the end of the video, so let me know which country you are watching from so I can send you greetings in my next videos. As you can see, my sink is pretty much blocked. This could be due to grease that accumulates over time or perhaps small food debris that gets stuck. To fix it, the first thing we are going to do is heat some water in a pan. Take it to the stove to warm up, as we will use it later. Now, take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and add them. Write below any tricks or tips that you would like us to feature on the channel. I am always reading your suggestions. Next, take 300 milliliters of white vinegar. You will notice how it has an effervescent effect. Then, let it rest for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes have passed, take the hot water that we had reserved and pour it out. The water will dissolve any remaining blockage. If you are enjoying this video and would like to receive more similar tips, write me below. I want more tips, so I know if I'm doing it right. This procedure should be done once a month. If you do it consistently, you will never have problems with clogged pipes. This procedure also works for the laundry room, bathroom sink, and any plumbing in the house. Try it at home and then come back here and tell me about your experience. Today's greetings go to Cassandra Devine from Australia and Dacry Scott from Ohio. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more tips like this.